this is gonna be a bit random. I just got this random idea to show you guys. I don't know if this is super obvious and then thus dumb to show, and it's just, you know, intuitive to everyone, or people might be like, oh yeah, we kind of knew that already. That's pretty obvious. But I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it's not, but I just thought, why not show you anyways, just in case. Yeah, so this is a writing thing, so I'm gonna switch the camera angle now. Okay, so this is just a little fun fact I wanted to show you guys in written Finnish. So, okay, let's see if I can make this visible for everyone. So, in written Finnish, if you are writing the letter A or how you are taught it officially is, oh my god, that is super ugly, sorry. X that would be writing an A like that and an like that. So you do the 2 dots at the top. So if you're writing a word with this letter or these letters, for example, which means night, you would write it like this. Or lääkäri, which is doctor, you would write like this. Yeah, you write the as there normally looking like this with the dots on top. But just a fun fact I wanted to show that I wasn't sure if it was obvious or not, is that sometimes in some people's handwriting, like I know I've done this before if I'm writing fast, or some people just, you know, prefer the look of it. Instead of writing their as and ers dotted, they write them with a line on top like this. So if you come across writing where you think it's supposed to be an A, but instead you see an A with like a straight line on top, or an with a straight line on top, just don't be confused by that and think it's like a separate letter. It's just actually an A or an it's just written like that. So example, you could write that looks like this, or lääkäri, you could write it looking like this. And then you just line them like that. So for example, if you have 2 as in a row, you could just do 1 straight line and then like 1 shorter line. So both of these, exactly the same thing, same letters, it's just the style of writing, it's different. So yeah, I just wanted to show that to you in case you come across that and are confused by it. And yeah, I guess that just about concludes this video, so till next time, bye bye!